how much percent should be my accuracy while solving the question bank while doing preparation for the FRM exam. Now, a lot of students, they have an expectation that their accuracy should be around 80 or 90% because they are comparing this exam with the previous exams which they have given, their college, MBA exams and all of it. But FRM exam is very different, okay? In the July exam also, we have seen that people who have been able to score 60 or 65 or even 55, they have also been able to clear the exam. So please don't be a person who is going to keep a very high expectation. When reading for the content and solving the question bank in the first attempt, you'll be able to get 80-90%. That is not going to happen for most of the student, okay? Your approach should be that whatever wrong I am getting, I should be able to analyze those wrongs, I should be able to understand what is a mistake, and I should not repeat those mistakes, okay? On an average, the normal students, they have an accuracy of around 60 to 65 and maximum 70% when they are solving the question bank, okay? And obviously, I'm not talking about the question bank which is for Schweizer or the bionic turtle question bank. I'm talking about the normal question bank which the students prepare and use and clear the exam for. Okay, so please don't set very high expectation because you will definitely get demotivated because of it. Make sure that you are consistent in your accuracy around 60 to 65%. That will also lead to your success. So don't worry about it. Okay, and if you guys like my content, like the way I'm explaining things, do subscribe to my channel, spread this video, share this video with your friends who are also preparing for the exam. This will help us to make good content for you. Thank you.